I love New York. Every time that I come in here is just great.
You can never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits. Just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what they but this so but you make it. One day, manners and respect. Respect.
Hey guys, we're getting out of the hotel right now. And right now we are in Queens, obviously. And we are walking towards the Queens Bridge. Sorry for that, there was a truck just passed by. We are taking the subway, the underground. We are direction to Rockefeller Center. And that was weird. And yeah.
What is this story?
But yeah, okay, coming back. We are going to Rockefeller Center, and today the plan is to walk around the Midtown Manhattan. We will be walking in Central Park.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. And I don't know.
Agenda, yes.
Oh yeah, this is
Many
gonna be
things to see.
3 days super packed. And actually, the area in here in Queens doesn't look as bad as I thought. Like yesterday in the evening, it looks super sketchy because it's like a dark, strange people in the streets.
Look here. Looks like from this Rocky movie, Philadelphia.
It's like an industrial area in here.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad also to see other parts because this is our second visit in New York and first time we stayed in Manhattan, so it was different. But yeah, look at this, yeah.
Exactly. No, we just wanted to get completely out of the comfort zone because it's not the first time we are in New York. But the first time we just stayed in the circle of the Midtown Manhattan. Of course, we did Brooklyn, we did many other parts. But we heard that it's kind of a really cool hack that you can stay in Queens because the hotels are way cheaper.
Although still expensive.
It's still expensive, and you will see the review of the hotel, like the madness in the breakfast time. Like there are no places to sit. People are taking their food to the rooms. Spider-Man supposed to come from Queens.
Really?
Yeah, Spider-Man is from Peter Parker. Is from Queens.
Oh yeah.
But it's from Queens. And Captain America is from Brooklyn.
Yeah.
But not so far away. Look at this building.
Mm-hmm.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
Right. Just made it here. I think literally 2 stations. Rockefeller Center.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope this is the direction.
So yeah, it looks like it is to Rockefeller Center, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bryant Park.
This is the 2nd Avenue bound speed train via the F5.
Now we are getting off. We are in Rockefeller Center station. And from here, the idea is to walk a little bit in the Midtown. And then, yeah, we have to walk towards the Central Park. We can actually get off. Yeah, get out. We are in the 6th Avenue.
And this is studios, look! Wow, this is really like overwhelming when you step out in here. Looks like a big world. Looks super cool. So where are we going now?
We can go that way. We can start walking towards the Central Park.
I like this NBC studio.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Why?
It's from Seinfeld? Well,
Yeah.
many.
No, Seinfeld is
No?
NBC or CB, maybe.
So from where was this NBC? I don't know, but it's of course very famous, yeah?
Yeah.
Day is here. We won't give up our dancing, and across the floor we fly. When you are near, spring is in the air.
I don't know, it feels weird, like as if we were in the middle of the movie, no?
We are in the middle of a movie. In that, you are kind of correct.
Yeah. We are in the middle of spicy Eurofusion movie, so please go and subscribe and comment below.
Comment below.
And look, they started already the Christmas decoration. And we are going to Rockefeller Center, yeah?
Let's cross the street. I want to see it from the other side.
We're hand in hand, cheek to cheek, and floating in midair. When you are near, spring is everywhere.
I love New York. Every time that I come in here is just great.
What do you like
Yes.
the most?
I like Central Park. So actually, we are going that way to Central Park. On the other side, but more in the Fifth Avenue, we can visit the National Library, which is really iconic, and they have really cool exhibitions in there as well.
So maybe,
Actually, you can see the real Winnie the Pooh in there.
yeah, exactly. And maybe you will be lucky and some celebrity will ask you for the autograph.
Maybe, why not?
Can-
They can recognize us.
Radio City Music Hall, located in the heart of Rockefeller Center in New York City, is one of the most iconic theaters in the world. Opened in 1932, it's known as the showplace of the nation. Famous for its stunning Art Deco design and incredible stage shows, the venue hosts concerts, movie premieres, and the legendary Radio City Christmas Spectacular, featuring the world-famous Rockettes. With its dazzling lights, grand marquee, and history of unforgettable performances, it's a true New York landmark that continues to capture the city's vibrant spirit and entertainment legacy, a must-see for visitors and music lovers alike. Rockefeller Center is one of New York City's most fabulous landmarks, a hub of art, architecture, and entertainment. Its iconic ice rink, open since 1936, sits beneath the towering Christmas tree each winter, creating a magical scene where visitors can skate surrounded by dazzling lights and the city's festive atmosphere.
The air here is different than in Europe. It's way drier and it feels colder and I love it. Yes, it reminds me like how it was in Poland in the old times.
Yeah, we have to actually specify that we are in the last week of October. We're finishing October, so it's already feeling like going towards the end of mid-autumn,
Yeah.
going towards Christmas. And that's what I told you, like you see the steam everywhere.
Yeah, you see the steam. Look,
And we are in Times Square, basically.
looks so nice, this thing. We can go to Times Square. Maybe maybe will be not so many people yet in there.
Yeah. Weekend.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And this is coming Wow, from the underground, from metro. Some shops in here.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah, although still decent, you know. And I can see that the modern myth is still very much alive in America. Look at these billboards. You will not see them in Europe anymore.
Platinum doors. Ooh.
Platinum what?
Go to gentleman's bar. Probably they will invite us like in London, remember?
I don't know if I look like a gentleman, but okay.
It's just recreational.
Yeah, he said it was for families, yeah?
And you know, they always have the ATM in these places because
Yeah.
they accept, they want the tips for ladies and
Oh yeah, exactly. So
barmans.
you might end up with very low balance on your account because they will make
Oh
sure.
yeah, and here they will squeeze you.
Yeah. Totally squeeze you. Oh wow, look at this. There is like a shark in this in this screen. It looks like in way better than from Back to the Future. Like, do you remember when Marty was in the future and this shark was coming from the screen? Oh, look, look, look.
That's so cool. Wow.
And actually, looks like some of those sellers, they are super pushy, but somehow we are not attractive prey for them because nobody is ever offering anything to us, which is a good thing.
Yeah. I mean, they try to sell you when you made eye contact with them
Yeah.
because they detect that you are actually looking for something particular.
Yes.
And then they will target you and they will not let you go until
Yeah.
you buy something from
Yeah,
them.
exactly.
They know who is their potential victim.
Never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits. Just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what they but this so but you make it. One day, manners and respect. Respect.
And this is the Bryant Park, and in the summer is one of the most iconic places to just come and chill. They have like a really nice cafeterias and like bars where to sit down and drink something peacefully. It's like one of the most beautiful places to just relax in the concrete jungle.
Yes, in a concrete jungle.
And in the winter, this place has become one of the most iconic Christmas markets in America. And you can already see like all the stands in here. Like, as you can see, there are like many of these places. A lot of people they are just coming here, especially to see this from all over the world. Look, they have a carousel.
Mm-hmm. Carousel. This is some restaurant, Grill Bryant Park. Really beautiful building, stunning. We are in front of the famous toilet in Bryant Park. But in here, actually, this is advertised like some kind of super toilet, but I haven't seen anything that extraordinary. I think we have better toilets in the shopping center in Poland for free. There are literally 3 toilets in here. It's a very strict policy just to stand around the corner, yeah? We are sitting now in a very cool spot, very relaxed, nice atmosphere with many shops. This place is often called Manhattan's Town Square. Is Bryant Park. It sits between 40th and 42nd Street and between 5th and the 6th Avenues, right behind the iconic New York Public Library. It covers 9.6 acres, making it a small but very vibrant urban oasis in a Midtown Manhattan. You can really feel like resting here, no? Like from rush of the street, very, very beautiful place, yes. And do you know that this park was originally a Potter's Field cemetery? Yes, in the early 1800s.
Wow.
Yeah, it became Bryant Park in 1884, named after William Cullen Bryant, a poet and a longtime editor of New York Evening Post. And by the 1970s, the park had fallen into disrepair and was considered unsafe, but it was completely revitalized in the 1990s by the Bryant Park Corporation. So that's really great, no?
That's super interesting.
Yeah.
I would never imagine,
Yeah.
like, just surrounded by buildings in here, like, but massive. It's an urban jungle. This is the real urban jungle there.
And it hosts over 1,000 free events every year, from yoga classes and movie nights to poetry reading and concerts. They also have a summer movie nights that are iconic. People are bringing blankets and a picnic under the stars. They are watching classic films on the big screen. That's really cool.
Really
no?
cool, yeah.
And during the winter, the park transformed into Bank of America Winter Village, featuring a large ice skating rink. So that's what we're gonna do now. We still have to see the ice rink here, no? It looks really great. But that's good what you mentioned, because I think Warsaw already has a similar feature.
It has a really nice vibe, similar.
Warsaw is really New York of Europe.
Watch that video.
About Warsaw.
All right, let's just walk around.
You can ice skate with short sleeves because it's so warm.
Route 3, the special visit ended. Please exit units. Route 4, you have 10 minutes left to skate.
So do you like this park? I mean, the park we already knew and we love it, but we were never here when they had like this Christmas market.
They didn't have last time now?
No, just the chairs, and I think they had like some books. They had something because they sell like a coffee and beer. What they have in here? They have like different decorations.
Yes.
Mopeds. So in there you can see some other part of the ice rink in there. Look, and in there you can see the tip of the Chrysler building.
Wow.
Very iconic. We have to go as well. And on the other side as well, a train station, the Grand Central Station, which is beautiful. The main hall of this train station. So
We have to go there after.
we have to go as well. But now let's go to Central Park.